What do I love more than brownies? Quik brownies that you can easily dress up for the holidays with maximum effect for minimal effort. These Quik Halloween brownies feature Halloween faces and use an ingredient that you parents probably already have on hand. They're sure to fly off the plate. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To a large bowl, add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Now it's time to grab your Nesquik chocolate milk powder and add 1 1/2 cups. A half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Using a fork or whisk, break down the brown sugar and give it all a stir until well combined and set aside. In a medium bowl, add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk together. Then add 3/4 cup of melted and cooled butter slowly as you whisk. Add the egg mixture to the flour mixture and give it a stir. Keep in mind that the batter will be thick. Spray or butter a 13x9 pan and spoon the batter into the pan and spread it as even as possible. Grab some cute Halloween sandwich cookies for your decoration. Place 12 cookies onto the batter and bake in the oven for 25 to 28 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow to cool for about 10 minutes before cutting into squares. Quik Halloween brownies are fudgy squares of deliciousness, and it takes no time to give them a festive face to bring the smiles. They're begging to be served up with a glass of milk, so have one handy. These will definitely satisfy your chocolate sweet tooth. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.